Hello students, how are you? Today we start the classes for physics students. Now we start the physics class for purpose of NEET exam. Then students, as you know that we previous classes learned about the distance and displacement. And then we solve the questions, and two questions and three questions are solved the questions basis on the distance and displacement. Okay students, then we today start of kinematics in velocity and the speed. Okay students, let us start the what is the velocity and what is the speed and what is the average velocity and what is the average speed. Okay students, let us start the class. Speed. What is the speed? What is the speed? Okay students, what is the speed? The speed is a rate of change of path length with respect to time. The rate of change of path path length with respect to time, that is known as the speed. Okay students, the rate of change of path length with respect to time, okay students. Okay, what is the formula of speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, the unit of speed is equal to distance. What is the unit of distance? Unit of distance is the meter, and times units is second. We know that meter per second or meter second power minus 1. Okay students, let's start the about speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is scalar quantity. And speed is a scalar quantity, first point. And second point is the speed, because the distance is a scalar quantity, so the speed is the scalar quantity. Okay, and next one, what is the unit? Let's this speed is greater than or equal to velocity. Continue. That is the always velocity. Speed is greater than velocity, or we say that velocity is less than always speed. Okay students, let's understood about what is the average velocity speed. What is the average speed? Are you noted? Okay, let's start. What is the average speed? Okay students, average speed. Okay, average speed. What is the average speed? Okay students, we learned about the average speed. The average speed is equal to the total length of path divided by time interval. Okay students, the average speed is equal to the total length of path divided by time interval. Okay students, and is formula is known as S average is equal to total length of path. It means del S by del V. Time interval is equal to del S by del V. Okay students, are you noted? Please note it. And what is the instantaneous speed? And let's understood about the what is the instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. What is the instantaneous speed? Okay students, what is the instantaneous speed? instantaneous speed. Okay, students, let's start. What is the instantaneous speed? The instantaneous speed is equal to s equal to dx by dt, dx by dt, and where s is equal to mod of v, where s is equal to mod of v. Okay, students, then we solve equations. The distance approximately where we present the approximately instantaneous speed is equal to s I is equal to del s by del t, where del s del t is del t approximately 0, limit is equal to limit del t approximately 0. Okay, students, then we now start solving the question basis of speed or average speed. Okay, students, we solve equations. Okay, students, we solve equation basis of average speed. Okay, then suppose a moving body. Suppose we know about a heading. Heading is if journey is divided in equal time. If journey is divided in equal time. If journey is divided in equal time, then if journey is divided in equal time, then what is the s average? Then s average is equal to suppose a moving body travel a distance point A to B. Suppose a moving body travel a distance point A to B. Okay? Yes, students. Suppose a moving body travel a distance point A to B. That is point A to B divided in many part distance. Suppose divided many parts distance divided. Okay. Suppose velocity. Suppose point A to B velocity is v1, and point 2 velocity is v2, point 3 velocity is v3. Suppose point B velocity is vn. Okay. Then the time is t. At point A time is t is equal to 0, and point A is equal to t, and point T2 is equal to t2, and at point 3 is equal to 2t and 3t. This one, that timing is increasing point at B, then nt. Okay. Then what is the velocity average speed? S average is equal to the total length of path, divided by total time interval. Okay, students, total time interval. Then we solve the value of putting the value of v. Suppose, students, the distance is L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Then what is that? L1 is equal to suppose, students, distance is double the distance by okay, students, the time length is equal to L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, and then time is t, time interval t. Then what is the speed? S is equal to L by t, and then S1 is equal to L1 by t. Okay, students, then then L1 is equal to ST1. Okay, S1t. Suppose the velocity is v, then v1t. That value there is v1t, and L2 is equal to v2t. L3 is equal to v3t. That's values putting. Suppose L time, n time, then Ln is equal to vnt. Then these values are putting in this formula. Then we find S average is equal to S average is equal to 11 V1 T1. Then suppose the value, putting the value 11 plus L2 plus L3 plus dot 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 Ln. Then T and T, putting the value is 11. What is the value is V1 T plus V2 T plus V3 T dot dot V and T divided by T and T divided by N T. Then S average is equal to V1 T. T is common and then cut out each other. Then we find V1 plus V2 plus V3 dot 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 Vn divided by N. That formula is the S average values when the time is same and if the journey is divided in equal distance time. Okay students, note it.